Day 106 of sanding this wood block until it becomes a perfect sphere. The question about using a file came up again. Would it be cheating or just a small shortcut? Since more new followers have joined recently, I'd love to hear your opinion once more. What do you think? Is a file allowed, or should I stay strictly with sandpaper? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As we head into a new week, remember, every day is a chance to shape something. The wood, your habits, your mindset. Stay focused, stay consistent, and let's make this week count.